the best part of my day is at the beginning of the shift, talking with everybody, and I love that part of it because you do have that genuine care within the people that work here.
We help each other and we do our jobs, but we have fun, and it's a joy to work with them. I'm glad to be a part of that.
I like the people. I like the closeness. It's clean. The work culture here is motivating.
When you come to work at Kennametal, you can expect to be trained in a way that you're able to do your job effectively. You're confident.
Really what brought me to Kennametal was some of their opportunities for career development. The managers I've had at Kennametal, they've given me opportunities to go to different conferences in my field, as well as funded different learning experiences.
At Kennametal, there's opportunities to move and to grow where you feel like maybe you've changed jobs, but you're still in the same factory.
So Kennametal really prides themselves on being innovative.
We're now looking into 2-3 other products that we're going to develop over the next couple years. So that's exciting, and some new machinery that's going to help us move into the next wave of Kennametal.
It's a good place to work. When you hear people say they've been here 5 years, 10 years, and on, it lets you know they're not running out the door, they're trying to run in the door.
If you're looking for an employer where you want to move up in your career, you want to be challenged, you want to feel appreciated, and you want to feel accomplished, Kennametal is the place for you to come to.